What's up? In this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to install the latest version of NetBeans IDE, which is the NetBeans 16. So let's get started. I'm going to open the download page, where here you can download the application, latest version of NetBeans at netbeans.apache.org, and this one is the latest release, Apache NetBeans 16. Click this download button to download the latest version, and go here, the installers and packages. You can choose whatever your OS is. I'm gonna choose Windows, and click this HTTP right here, and if this link is not working, you can choose the backup site. So in this case I'm going to click on HTTP, and alright, and let's install the application. Let's run this program, and click on yes. Alright, so this is the welcome window of the installer, and we can also customize our IDE. We can check the base IDE, Java SE, Java EE, HTML if you are developing a HTML page, and also the PHP. So I'm gonna leave this all check and click on OK, and click on next. Here you need to accept the license agreement, and click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. Since as you can see here, I have GDK because I already installed my GDK on this system. So I'm gonna leave that default as default, and the installation directory, leave that as default, program files, and I'm gonna click on next. If you want to check for updates, you can click this one, you can check this one, and install. Alright, setup complete, the installation completed successfully, and click on finish. Alright, so this is the Apache NetBeans 16. Let's run the program, and here you go. So this is the NetBeans window, and let's create a new Java program. So the Java is already activated because I installed this application recently. So I'm gonna click on next, and this one is, I'm gonna name the project as hello world, and click on finish. So let's try inserting some codes here. Let's say sout for the shortcut of system out of println, and let's print something, hello world, I am using the latest version of NetBeans IDE, and let's run a program. Let's run a file, and this is the output. Hello world, I am using the latest version of NetBeans IDE. And that's it. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next video.